Hello all Ayurveda students and Ayurveda knowledge lovers. Today we are going to see about one more very important topic about our human health is न वेगांधारणीय अध्याय। ये चरक संहिता का 7वां अध्याय है और इसके बारे में अभी हम जानकारी लेने वाले हैं। न वेगांधारणीय, वेग मीन्स प्रवृत्ति उन्मुखत्वम मूत्र पुरुषादीनाम मीन्स मूत्र पुरुष. These are the urine, stool, these are the natural urges that we don't have to hold for more time. So these are called the Vegas. This adhyay comes under the Swastha Chatushkam. Before this adhyay, Charaka says about Tasyashiti adhyay, which is related with the Swasthahita ahara. And after digestion of that ahara, it gets converted into the malas, means excretory products. So now we are going to look at which are the excretory products or which are the Vegas which we don't have to hold for more time. Okay, so adharaniya Vegas, that is non-suppressible natural urges. The shloka is na vegan dhare dhiman jatan mutra purishayoho na retaso na vatasya na chaha shavathor na cha na udgarasya na jrumbhayah na vegan shutpipasayoho न बाष्पस्य न निद्रायः निश्वासस्य श्रमेण. So all these 13 Vegas are there. So we'll see one by one which should not be suppressed. These are first Mutra Veg means urine, Purisha Veg means feces, Retas means semen, Vata means flatus, Chardi vomiting, Shavathu sneezing, Udgara means belching or eruption, Jrumbha means yawning, Shut means hunger, Pipasa means thirst, Vashpa means ashru, tear, Nidra means sleep, and Nishwasa means breathing caused by overexertion. So these are the 13 Vegas. Keep remember all these Vegas should not suppress. Because of this there are many side effects happen or many diseases happen with the body. So we'll see one by one which diseases caused due to suppression of this natural urges. So first we are going to see about Mutra Vega Avarodha Janya Rogaha, that is diseases due to urine suppressing urges. Okay, so shlok is Basti Mehanayo Shulam Mutra Kruche Shiro Rujaha Vinamaha Vangshana Anaha Syat Lingam Mutra Nigrahe. The symptoms of Mutra Vegadharana are Basti Mehanayo Shulam means pain in a bladder and penis. Mehana means penis, the Ayurvedic word for penis. Then Mutrukrucha, that is dysuria. Also in female, in vaginal area, they got pain. So it is related with both male and female. Mutrukrucha, dysuria, Shiroruja means headache. Vinama means forward bending of the body. Then Vangshana Anaha means distension of lower abdomen. Now we'll see the pathophysiology of suppression of natural urinary urge. Okay, so what urine works? The normal function of urine is excretion of waste products. The waste products of digestion are excreted from urine, such as calcium and fatty acids, inorganic salts, organic compounds like proteins, hormones, wide range of metabolites in the form of urea and creatinine, etc. etc. So when you suppress this urge, we'll see one by one symptom wise. First is pain in bladder region and urethral area. It is very common in females because concentration of urine get increases and which leads to urinary tract infections. So that's why pain will be there. Also the muthakrucha, the backward pressure of urine is increases due to intentional holding of urine, leads to increase intravesicular pressure, means pressure in the bladder is increases, causes stretching of a bladder, leads to pain. Again, that retrograde pressure causes loss of stimulation of pudendal nerve. Pudendal nerve is a major nerve which supplies to the perineum, that is urethral area and anal area. So due to suppression of that, due to loss of stimulation of that pudendal nerve, the pain and myalgia, angabhanga, vinama, these symptoms are seen, as well as accumulation of fluid if increased, then it leads to other spinal nerve compression in the KUB, that is kidney, ureter and bladder region. So that's why also it leads to pain in that region. Leads to Vangshan Anaha, means pain in the KUB region. Then after that, the slowly it leads to hydronephrosis, that is different kind of kidney diseases after retention of urine, due to retention of urine. After that, the final headache, that is neuralgic pain due to as we see that there is a spinal nerve compression, or else in the long term, if we keep continue this habit for a long term, then it leads to pyelonephritis, that is inflammation of a kidney, as well as a deep uremia like serious diseases can occur due to intentional holding of urine. So we have to take care of all these things. Now see treatment, what Charaka says, treatment of Mutra Avarodha Roga, that is due to for urine. So Sweda, that is fermentation, Avagaha means tub bath, Abhyanga means body massage, Avapidaka Sarpi, Sarpi means Ghritam, so in large quantity of Ghritam, and Trivida Basti Karma means Niruha Basti, Anuvasan Basti and Uttar Basti. So these three type of Basti Karma we can do as a treatment in the urine suppression diseases. So thank you very much and keep learning. We'll see in the next episode about the stooler, that is Purisha Vega Avarodha Janya. Thank you.